that Sharon was 7 months pregnant, so 2 lives are lost. I am also very sad to inform you that a journalist, Mr. Barack Odwor of the Nation Media Group, who allegedly had been kidnapped together with Sharon, escaped death, and I am sure he is traumatized. So we wish a quick recovery to this young man. It is alleged that the killing of Sharon and her unborn child is linked to one of the senior Migori County officials. If indeed this is true, it is a very, very unfortunate, shameful, and unacceptable act.
This act must be condemned, and we'd be failing as women leaders if we did not condemn this heinous, barbaric, cowardly, reckless act of murdering a young girl together with her unborn baby. And I'd like to state here, this is the true test for the DCI. This is the true test for the authorities in this country. Because it is alleged that the high and mighty are involved in this matter. It does not matter who you are. It does not matter if you are MP, governor, president. It does not matter who you are. Nobody deserves to take away the life of another person. So we want the person involved in this matter, and the real person. We don't want other small fish to be carried into this thing. We want the real person involved in this matter arrested and charged with the murder of Sharon. It will not be another life lost for nothing.